Hello! Epic Games just dropped this free Unreal Engine project called Level Design Principles, and I just wanted to do a quick video walking through it because it's really cool. It has 9 different sections and each one is a different stage of how a level gets built. So you can see how a level is built from complete scratch. Let's get into it. So this first area is the blockout. This is where every level starts. Just basic shapes, no art, nothing fancy. You're just figuring out the layout, where things go, how the player moves through the space. They made this level blockout using the geometry tools. This is a tool built into Unreal Engine. If you actually want to learn how to use that and also learn all of the fundamentals of Unreal Engine, check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course because it covers all of that stuff plus a lot more so that you learn the fundamentals of Unreal Engine. There's a link to that in the description of the video. For section 2, we can see the blockout has a material on it. This is a UV material. It's basically a checker texture artists use to check how textures are going to sit on surfaces. If the squares look even and consistent across everything, then your UVs are good. I don't personally really use UVs because I'm not a 3D artist, but I thought I'd just explain this section. Section 3, the first mesh pass. Here's where things start getting interesting. They've started replacing the blockout geometry with actual modular assets. Real walls, real floors, real props, same layout, same proportions, but now you've got some proper meshes in there. Then we have section 4, material pass. This is the same level again, but now the materials are in it. Proper textures, surface detail. The level has gone like looking from a prototype to a real level. Section 5, first lighting pass. As you can see, they've added these lighting poles throughout the level, which just adds some light to our level, helping give everything a bit more depth. Section 6, full lighting pass. So here, they've added a post-process volume, which makes the whole atmosphere darker and moodier. And as you can see, they've added some barrels, which go on fire, which look pretty nice. It's a small change, adding a post-process volume and some lighting to your level, but you can see it's made a massive difference in terms of vibing and feels. Section 7, this one's pretty cool, cinematics. There's an explosive cinematic built with Unreal Engine 5 sequencer tool, so you can see how to set up triggered cinematic moments directly inside of your level. Good example of how the pipeline works and how to blend it in with some gameplay. And then we have section 8, AI integration. So this is the AI section. You can see NPCs are actually moving around the level using some behavior trees, patrol routes, and some actually even follow the player. And as you can see, it helps make the level feel more alive. And then section 9, there is some simple gameplay integration. So the last section actually has a mini game. You've got these coins scattered around the level and you need to collect them and bring them back to the bank to progress. It's simple, but it ties everything together. You've gone from a grey box all the way to a functioning level, and you've seen how to add things like lighting, cinematics, AI, and actual gameplay. The whole picture. So you can check out this project on Fab, and if you want to learn how to use the tools in Unreal Engine like sequencer, blocking out levels, and more, make sure to check out my Unreal Engine courses. You can get a link to that in the description of the video, and if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!